Hello, Helga.
Hello.
This is very serious. We're going to ask you very serious questions and you have to answer truthfully. Okay.
Okay.
Is cereal soup? Why and why not?
No, because this is ég veit ekkert maður. The cereal is hard and dry and then you put milk. Then this is not soup.
What is the sexiest and least sexy name?
Least sexy name is Friðjón. The most sexy name is Jakob.
Thank you.
Welcome, Birgir.
Thank you.
Yes, okay. What is the least sexiest name and the sexiest name?
Least sexiest. Shit. Chloe.
Chloe. Least sexiest name. Okay, and the sexiest name.
Sexiest name. Birgir.
Okay. Okay. Hi, Ellie. Welcome to our interview.
So.
Okay, so the first question is, what's the least and the most sexiest name?
In English? Probably Arna.
Welcome, Eva.
Thank you.
Yes. These are very serious questions and you need to answer quickly.
Quickly.
Okay. What is the least sexiest and sexiest name?
Guðmundur. Okay. I'm ready. Are you Microsoft? Nei. Hi, I'm Microsoft. Can I crash at your place tonight? Okay. I must be a snob because I'm falling. Please leave me alone.
I did some wrong, but I'm always right. Said I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet.
You've been waiting for.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. Like in Simone in my veins, my culture banging with strange. I change the game, so what's my motherfucking name? What they're gonna get?